Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add GoodRx to CVS app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So adding GoodRx to CVS app is not a direct integration, but you can use GoodRx discounts when filling prescriptions at CVS. So what you need to do is firstly head over to your browser and then pin GoodRx coupon codes, and once you do that, once you scroll down, you'll be provided with a bunch of sites that provides GoodRx discounts. Now all you gotta do is just simply select one of the site, and once you do that, all you gotta do is use the CVS pharmacy app to manage your prescription. Open the CVS app and sign in. Ensure your prescription is linked to your account under the prescription tab, and when picking up your prescription at the CVS pharmacy, present the GoodRx coupon printed digital or via your phone to the pharmacist. The pharmacist will enter the coupon details into their system to adjust the price accordingly. After applying the GoodRx coupon, the discounted price will reflect in your receipt. Use the CVS app to track your prescription and cost. Once you do that, the GoodRx discounts will be applied, and that's basically how you can use it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.